Cupcakes. Today I'm doing the house tour that I said I would do in a lot of videos. And if you're at school, I told you I would do it. And if you were in school last year, you know I would do it. I just left it off, sorry. But now I'll be starting it. And you may not know this, but I'm Fairy Court and I am a fairy. If you go to my school, yeah, you probably know. And I have a fairy club there too. So today I will be flying around my house to show you. Okay, let's get started with the basement. Hold on. Let me just start my flying. And, all right. Let's see. First, here's the piano over here. Hopefully you can see it. Here is all the cool. There's a printer. There's a lot of games. That's a science kit down there. We have a lot of paintings over here too. So here's one of mine. There's another one over here. And over here you might not see them, so I'm lowering down. I'm going back up. Okay. Here's a lot too. Let's go up. Guys, I'm filming. Guys, I'm up here. Now, go here. And here is the living room. My cat is there. There's a couch. And the other couch which my cat is laying on. Her name is Silly. And so yeah. Let's go into this room. The kitchen. It has the oven, the microwave, all this funny stuff with a pineapple in here too. I'll lower it. Here's the island. There's the table over there. And there's the sink. I'll just point it down. And then there's a lot of stuff over here. Here's the fridge. Okay, let me land because my feet are getting tired and then I'll come back. Alright, let's go. Here's some more of my paintings that I just did, but over so you can see.
Now I feel a little
Now I'll
less
go
stupid.
upstairs.
You and I have the exact same person.
I won't be able to go to the last floor because that's when my mom is working. But so here's her bathroom.